If you're wondering how to sync Outgrow with CRM software, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the integration process and show you how to make your Outgrow forms work seamlessly with your CRM. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enhance your lead management and customer experience, all while saving time on manual tasks. Keep watching because I'll also share how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial of this software from the link below, which you won't want to miss. Outgrow is a no-code platform designed to help businesses create interactive content like quizzes, calculators, surveys, and assessments. These interactive elements can gather valuable data from visitors, and when integrated with your CRM, this information flows directly into your customer management system. This integration is perfect for anyone looking to automate their lead generation and follow-ups. To start syncing Outgrow with your CRM, you'll first need to choose a CRM that Outgrow supports. Popular choices include HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho, and Pipedrive. Once you have your CRM set up, head over to Outgrow's integration section. Here you'll find a list of all the supported CRM software. Depending on the CRM you're using, the steps might vary slightly, but they are generally straightforward. For instance, if you're using HubSpot, you'll find an integration option under the Integrations tab in your Outgrow account. Once selected, you'll be prompted to authenticate your HubSpot account by logging in. After logging in, Outgrow will ask you to select the specific CRM fields you want to sync with your Outgrow form data. This includes things like contact names, emails, phone numbers, and any other data points you're collecting from your interactive content. The next step is setting up automated workflows. This is where the real magic happens. Once your Outgrow form collects the data, you can set it up to automatically create a new contact or lead in your CRM. For example, if someone fills out a quiz or calculator on your website, their details will be automatically pushed to your CRM without you lifting a finger. You can then automate follow-up emails or segment them into targeted campaigns based on the data they've provided. For CRMs like Salesforce, you'll be using their API key to sync the data with Outgrow. It's just as simple as copying and pasting the key from your Salesforce account into Outgrow's integration settings. Once the connection is made, all the data collected through your Outgrow forms will be sent to Salesforce's lead management system automatically. One of the benefits of syncing Outgrow with your CRM is that you can personalize your marketing and customer outreach. Instead of manually inputting leads, you can set up automated workflows that trigger actions based on specific criteria, whether it's sending them a special offer after they complete a quiz or triggering a nurture campaign based on their survey answers. And if you're new to using CRMs or Outgrow, don't worry. Both platforms are designed to be user-friendly, and you can find plenty of guides and tutorials to help you make the most out of their features. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, you can start using Outgrow for free through the link in the description below. This exclusive trial comes with some bonuses that can help you maximize your CRM integration and start seeing results immediately. To recap, syncing Outgrow with CRM software is a great way to automate your lead generation and improve customer engagement. Whether you're using HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho, or another CRM, the process is simple, and the benefits are huge. So, if you're ready to save time, increase efficiency, and drive better results, be sure to check out that exclusive free trial through the first link below. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to take your lead generation to the next level. Thanks for watching.